In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $900 or more in a day selling digital products that you don't even have to create yourself, working just 2 hours around your schedule, doing simple things like posting videos to social media to attract customers and build your email list. And once people are inside of your email automations, they can buy from you at any time. Plus, you get to keep 100% of the profit because this is not MLM, this is not affiliate marketing. So there's no uplines. There's no small commissions. You keep 100% of the profit with master resale rights. And this is high ticket marketing. So our top product sells for $900 and you don't have to create anything because we give you everything. It's a complete business in a box. We give you the products, the website, the sales funnel so you can make money in your sleep. There's community for training support. There's live mentoring from 6 and 7 figure incrementers. Everything you need to be successful. Okay. So if you learn the skills to attract a customer a day at 900 a day, that's $27,000 a month and $328,000 a year. That means in 3 years, you could be a millionaire, living your best life. So before I show you how this business starts and before I show you how to get started with this business, because I'm going to show you everything, how it works, how to get started, what it looks like, all that stuff. But first, let's talk about the two ways to make money. So there's basically two ways to make money. Either you can work for other people, which means you have a job, and that means you're building other people's businesses and you're making other people rich and you're exchanging your time for money. Okay, so that's one way to make money. The other way is to be an entrepreneur, which means you're building your own business or businesses. You can work whenever you want to work. You can make as much money as you want to make, and you have automated systems in place working for you so you can make money while you're sleeping or doing anything. Okay, so now that you understand the two ways to make money, now let's break down how this business works. Okay, so any business on the planet, the only way they make money is by selling products, opportunities, or services. So you need some kind of offer, right? You need an offer that's in high demand, something that people are searching for, something that people are like, and something that people are buying, and something that's proven to sell. Just like Apple phones, it's high demand, it's proven to sell. They're very popular. People are buying them. So that's what you want. You want to offer that is in high demand. Okay. So our offer, we give you 4 different digital products, right? And these products are in high demand. They're inside of the e-learning industry. And our top selling product sells for $900. So the e-learning industry, it's information, it's education, it's training. So these products will teach you everything you need to know about digital marketing, how to build an online business, how to attract customers, how to automate your business, how to build an email list, all things like that. Okay. And we earn 100% profit per sale. So most businesses, they don't earn 100% profit per sale, but we do. And then the business is automated, so you can make money while you're sleeping or doing anything. That's step number two. You want to automate your business. So we give you a pre-built automated system. You don't need any tech skills, you don't need a following, you don't need experience. You can get your system set up in like 1 to 2 days. I'm going to show you what that looks like and how to set it up. So basically, someone goes to your link, okay? They put their email in and then they're inside of your automations. They can buy from you at any time, right? They're going through your sales funnel, they're watching videos. We give you 30 emails to start with. These emails are being sent out on autopilot, so you don't have to talk to people. You don't have to get on the phone with people. You don't have to DM people because your automations are working for you. Okay. So step number three, you just need a way for people to discover your business. You need a way, since it's an online business, you need people to discover your link, right? So we teach you how to do it using free strategies. There's basically 4 ways to promote any business. You can do paid ads, you can do warm outreach, you can do cold outreach, or you can do the free strategies like posting content on social media. So that's what we teach you how to do. So basically, all you got to do is create 3 pieces of content a day that you post to social media, like videos, like it can be talking videos, faceless, 7-second videos with words on the screen. You can take selfies of yourself. You can put words on the screen, attach some trending audio. We show you how to do all of this step by step, just giving you some examples, right? And then you can also go live on social media. See, I've made thousands of dollars with this business just by creating content and just by going live. So I practice what I preach. And then after that, you just go through training because we have training in the program and we have training inside of our community. So you want to go through a little bit of training every day to help you with your mindset and your strategy, and it helps you create better content. Okay. So you're creating content, you're going live, you're driving traffic, you're sending people to your link, you're building your email list. Once they're inside, they can buy from you at any time. Okay. So if you're ready to get started with this business, or if you want to learn more, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. The link is in the description. Just put in your email and then I'll send you all the details. You can get started at any time and you can unsubscribe from my email automations at any time, and you can reply to my emails. at any time. So you can check out how these automations work because the same automations that I use are the same automations that you get to use. Okay, so I'm going to show you behind the scenes. I'm going to show you what this business looks like and how to get started with it. And I'm going to show you inside of our community and some other things too. So let's just go here. Okay, let me share my screen real quick. All right, here we go. So this is called a capture page, right? This is the beginning of the sales funnel, okay? So we give you this pre-built sales funnel that looks like this. This is a sales funnel right here, right? This is what's out there doing like 90% of the work for you. So people go to your capture page, okay? It's going to look something like this. They're going to put their email in, so you're building your email list. And then once they put their email in, they go here to the next video. And this video is doing the selling for you. This video is answering questions for you. And there's also some testimonials on this page. And then there's another video that we send out on people's emails. Okay, so here's another video that you can send to people. If people want information, just send them these videos, right? Well, what you really want to do, you want to send them to your capture page. So then they're going to be inside of your automations. They're going to get emails sent out to them and all that stuff. Okay, and ultimately it's going to take people back to your website, which looks like this. So these are the 4 different digital products that we sell for 100, 300, 600, and 900. Like I said, this is already set up for you. This is already created for you. You just got to set up your system and then start promoting your business. Okay. So how would an extra $900 a day change your life? 50,000 members in our community, $29 million in sales in 10 months. That's why this is proven to work because we have the numbers, $29 million in sales in 10 months. We've created over 100 six-figure income earners inside of our community. I've personally made thousands of dollars myself. And we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. Okay. And then this is what truly sets us apart is we have this certification training. Most opportunities out there, they don't have this kind of certification training that we have. So it's going to show you the do's and the don'ts when it comes to digital marketing and how to promote this business. Takes about 2 hours to complete. And then you get a certificate. You can either get a paper one mailed to you or you can download the digital one. Okay. And then there's testimonials on the website. So this is what your website's going to look like more or less. Here's my picture. You put your picture in, you put your bio in, and that's what it looks like. Okay. So here's the website. These are the products. People can go to this page at any time and purchase one of the products. Every time they purchase, you get paid 100% profit. Okay, there's also payment plans available for your customers. So it's super affordable because you can get started with 100, 300, 600, or 900. So it's affordable for everybody. Everyone can come up with $900. Everyone can come up with $100. It's not a big deal. Okay, and then you get all these bonuses. Okay, all these bonuses here. And that's basically what the website looks like. And then there's frequently asked questions. I'm just showing you what it looks like. You can go to sevenfiguremonk.com and you can check it out yourself. So yeah, here's your sales funnel. So if you want to get started with this business, you just purchase one of the programs, you pay $39 for your website, and then you have instant access to everything. Okay. And then what's going to happen is you're going to get an email. So whatever email you sign up with, they're going to send you the login details, and then you're going to go and log in. And this is where your products are going to be held in a platform called Kajabi. So this is where your products are. And yeah, here's the certification training, the bonuses. So you go inside of your program and you just follow the steps. It's a step-by-step program. You don't need anybody else's help. Everything's step-by-step in the system. It shows you how to do everything. Okay. So basically, click here to get started. Then you want to get your website set up. Okay. You want to get up the system set up because that's how you can receive your payments. If you don't set it up, you can't receive any payments, right? So you got to set up these pages. So it shows you how to set it up. Basically, you got to go to GoDaddy. You got to get a domain and a professional email address, which is super cheap. It shows you how to do that. And then you got to connect your payment gateways like Square, PayPal, Stripe. That's how we receive payments. Okay. And then it's going to show you how to set up, how to connect your domain and everything. Most of the time, you're just watching these videos and you're basically just copying and pasting information into your system. And then when it's finished, it's going to look something like this. Okay. So after you set up your business, now it's time to start making money, right? So you go here to a launch kit for your online business. This is going to show you how to get your first sale in 7 days. All you need is 2 sales and your business is in profit. Okay. Your first sale, you get your investment back. Your second sale, you're in profit, right? So yeah, you watch that, and then after that, you can just go through the rest of the trainings over time. So that's the product. The product is the training, it's the information, it's the education. So there's, marketing, social media training, discover method, how to attract and find your ideal customers, how to master storytelling, branding your business. You're just watching these different videos, video modules. That's what the product is, okay? And then how to craft a message, how to build a recurring income stream, affiliate marketing and partnerships, email marketing, list building, how to use ChatGPT to 10x your productivity, how to create your own digital product or program, how to launch your own course, how to create your own community. And then you can watch the millionaire mentoring call live replays. You can watch the live replays as well. So that's that. That's the products. This is where you access your products and your bonuses and your certification training. And this is how you set up your whole business. Okay. And then let's go into the community. So if we go into the community, let's go here. Here's our community. So once you get started, you just go here, you introduce yourself. If you have any questions, you can type it there. Okay. You can check out the pin posts so you can stay up to date with what's going on in the community. And if we go to the wins section, it's going to show you the wins that people are having. Okay. 8 weeks, $1,100. Exactly. Wait, 8 weeks. She just had a $900 sale. So everyone's journey is different. Some people make money really fast. Other people take a little bit longer because we all have different learning curves. Okay. It's all about your learning curve. Once you really understand how everything works, like how to promote your business the right way, then you're going to start making the money fast. But it takes, like, we all have a different learning curve. That's all. She made two $100 sales while relaxing. Okay. Um, she's made $11,000 so far. She's from South Africa because this is a global business. So you can get customers from any part of the world. You can do this from any part of the world and you get paid in American dollars. Okay. So look at this, $5,000 in the last 2 weeks. Waking up to notifications never gets old. We're up 5,000 in 2 weeks. Not too shabby. Okay. So people post all kinds of stuff, like proud mama moment. She's just like showing a picture of her and her son. Okay. So people post all kinds of wins. Jessie, she's already up. She's made 5,000 already this month. God is so good. Okay. So do. I'm live with my new account, over 1,000 followers. I've reached 600 followers. So you can see people post all kinds of wins. It's not always the money wins, right? Just made 5 sales in total using a proven DGC strategy. She got more leads. Okay. You see how people post all kinds of things. So this is a community. It's so interactive, and there's people are just posting things, communicating, interacting with each other. Like if someone gets a sale, right? You can see, like, you know, see all the support. Congratulations, congratulations. You just got a sale. So people are rooting for you. People are loving on you. People are encouraging you and helping you and supporting you inside of the community, which is pretty much how life should be, right? And then in the classroom, we have more trainings. So getting started here, access your program. We have all the training replays. You can find it in the classroom. So you get training in the classroom and you get training inside of your program. And then the calendar shows you when we have the live calls. Okay, we have tech calls, we have tech support, we have mentoring with Jacqueline. Okay, 6 and 7 figure mentoring is going on. We have different workshops that are happening. So we got all kinds of stuff. Okay, so yep, that's the community. So like I said, if you want to get started, you just purchase one of the programs. You pay $39 for your website, 0 monthly fees. Okay, you just got to get 2 sales and you're in profit. Your first sale, you get your investment back. And then once you get started, you set up your business, you plug into the community, then you're following the 2-hour workday. Like I said, you post a minimum of 3 pieces of content a day, and you can go live and you can copy and paste free ads. If you don't want to go live, then just create more content, okay? Or post free ads and create content. So if you look at my YouTube page, this is my page for promoting my business. And you can see I do long videos that are like over 10 minutes on YouTube. And then I do short videos. So look at my short videos. An extra $900. So here's like a talking video, right? Promoting the business. So who can you promote this business to? You can promote this business to people that are looking for ways to make money. You can promote this business to people that want to learn how to do digital marketing. You can promote this business to people that want to learn how to create their own products and market them, because we teach people all of those things. So I mostly promote to people that want to make money, because The wealth niche, the wealth industry is a very popular industry because there's always people looking for ways to make money. Okay. So that's what I post about, ways to make money mostly. See, I'm doing a talking video here. I just took a selfie. I put some words on the screen, relatable words, speaking to my perfect customer, taking them through the buyer's journey. I just use ChatGPT. ChatGPT will create these words for me, and I just copy and paste them. And then I'll just change them if I want to, but mostly you can just copy and paste from ChatGPT. ChatGPT will help you do all this stuff. So you can see I do all kinds of reels, okay? Short videos, long videos. Most people, they focus on short videos. Unless you have a YouTube channel, then you can do long videos and you can do short videos. I also go live on YouTube and TikTok simultaneously. So all my lives are saved here. People can rewatch my lives on YouTube, which is pretty cool. And that's pretty much what I do every day. So every day I follow the 2 hour workday, right? I do this every single day. I do a minimum of 3 pieces of content a day. Okay. And you can also batch create your content. So you can like spend one day and create like, you know, 30 short videos that you could post throughout the week. You can do it like that as well. It's called batch creating your content. So I create 3 pieces of content a day. I post it to social media. I go live usually at least once a day for at least 30 minutes because I just like to go live. I think it's fun. I like to interact with people and help people. And I've noticed by creating content and going live, I've been able to grow my social media following from scratch and attract customers doing that. I made thousands of dollars just doing that. So I create 3 pieces of content minimum and I go live. Now, if I want to work on my business more, then I'll just post more content and I'll go live more often throughout the day. That's it. If I don't want to work on my business more, I'll just do the minimum. I'll create my content, I'll go live, and then the rest of the day I'll do whatever I want to do, whether it's business or not business. Okay. So just get started, set up your business, plug into the community, and take action. So make sure you like the video, share the video with someone who needs it. If you know someone who's working 40 plus hours a week, they don't have enough time or money, they're stressed out financially, share this video with them because this could be the solution to their problem. And then make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to get started with the business or if you just want to learn more, go here, sevenfiguremonk.com. There's a link in the description, and I'm going to send you that free PDF. It's going to show you how to make 10K in 30 days. It's the Freedom Formula Blueprint. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day. God bless.